I work at Gracelife Church in Lincoln. It's near Sacramento. I'm the tech director at the church. We're about a 150 to 250 member church, non-denominational. We have a full live band. There are some traditional elements as far as like song selection. Currently we don't do tracks or anything like that, so it's not too contemporary in that sense. So the Cinamaker Director Studio is an all-in-one software platform where you can use an iPad and iPhones to set up a recording session, whether it be you're doing a message or a video, kind of like we're doing now. And it acts as the switcher encoder where you can have multiple cameras and also additional microphone inputs. And it allows you to do that all very easily. And it records, as you're going through, it records all of your cameras at the same time. So you can go back later and edit things in post kind of after you're done with your live stream. One of the things I really liked about it was just very simple to set things up. You download the Capture app on the iPhones or iPads that you're going to use as the cameras, and it automatically picks it up in whether it's the MacBook or iPad that you're using, the Cinamaker Director Studio. Making the transition from OBS to Cinamaker Director Studio for streaming was pretty straightforward, and in some regards was a little bit simpler than going through the settings and having to get the stream key and everything when you're going through OBS. You just connect the account on Facebook in the Cinamaker Director Studio app on your iPad, and it's ready to go. You are able, through hardware integration, to use the camera equipment, microphone gear that you already have. And as long as you have just if you have an iPad Pro, it would be the USB-C, you can get any kind of adapter or interface to bring your video or audio into the Cinamaker Director Studio app. There are definitely many ways to do it, and Cinamaker is designed to handle all those. I think it would streamline a lot of things for people to use Cinamaker Director, because it's just everything's already built in and set up, and the kinks are already worked out for you.